In this video, I'm going to teach you how to record your voice while screen recording on PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you want to record your microphone and capture your voice while screen recording on the PlayStation 5, you can do so by going over to the Share options. So as you might be aware, by pressing the Share button on your DualSense controller, you will open the options of screen recording. So press and hold on this button. Instead of tapping it once, press and hold for a few seconds and you will get the main options. You can take a screenshot, you can record your previous session, or you can start a new recording. Now, by default, your microphone isn't going to be picked up in these recordings. So if you want to ensure that it is, go over to the options. So go all the way to the right and choose the settings icon here, capture options. Once you select this menu, you will see the main options related to screenshots, video clips, and then finally at the bottom, you will find two relevant options. Include your mic's audio. All video clips, including trophy recordings, will include your microphone audio. So all that you have to do is enable this. The other option refers to voice chat. So if you are talking to friends over a party and you want your voice and their voice to be in the recording, make sure that this is enabled as well. With both of these options enabled, you are good to go. You can now connect an external microphone and it is going to be picked up on any recording that you make using the Share button. So you can go ahead, initiate a new recording, and the microphone is going to be in it, assuming of course that you went into the options and you enabled it properly through this menu. There is no secret to this. It is going to work with any version or any model of the PlayStation 5, and as long as you have a microphone set up, it is going to be connected. If you still need to set up your microphone, go into the settings of the PlayStation 5, access the audio categories, and look for input devices, where you can see which microphone is currently being used. I hope I was able to help you on how to record your voice while screen recording on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.